November 13th, 1985. The Colombian volcano Nevada del Ruiz erupts around 9 p.m. Part of its summit glacier melts. Water cascades down canyons, stripping them of soil, trees, boulders. Soon, the mudflow is 130 feet deep. Just before midnight, nearly 30 miles from the volcano, it engulfs a city called Armero. 23,000 people are buried alive. Only weeks earlier, scientists had surveyed the volcano and determined Armero was at risk. Somehow, their report was shelved. Yet a simple evacuation plan could have saved thousands. On the ruins of Armero, volcanologists vowed, never again. April 2nd, 1991. 55 miles northwest of Manila. Plumes of steam are spotted at the summit of Mount Pinatubo. At the request of the U.S. Air Force and the government of the Philippines, a team from the U.S. Geological Survey arrived on April 23rd. For 2 weeks, they installed a monitoring network on ridges around the volcano. Pinatubo's activity increases daily. The science team urges local authorities to consider evacuations. June 5th. Swarms of earthquakes prompt a level 3 alert. Eruption possible within 2 weeks. More than 80,000 people leave their homes. June 12th, 8:51 a.m. The wait is over. Pinatubo blows an ash column nearly 12 miles into the sky. At dawn, pyroclastic flows stream down the volcano's flanks. By morning, people return to towns crushed by ash. Tens of thousands are saved in the largest evacuation ever staged as a result of eruption forecasts. For volcanology, it's an unprecedented success.